Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Tradovate. So first of all, you need to come here on tradovate.com. Afterwards, simply provide your username and password and then log in into your account. Now, when you log in into your account, you are going to see this type of dashboard in front of you. So I want you to click on this close icon in order to basically close each and every window that you are seeing over here. Now the dashboard is blank. So first of all, we are going to click on the option of this plus icon. Then you just have to simply drag and drop the chart over here just like so. Now you are going to see this type of search icon. So over here you need to simply search for that particular ticker or that particular chart which you want to trade. So for example, let's say I want to trade gold. So I'm just going to simply search for MGC. Then I'm just going to select the ticker and I'm going to click on the option of add. So as you can see, I have the chart of gold available in front of me. Now once you have it, the next thing that you need to add is to simply click on the plus icon again. Then among the given options, you can just simply add the option of account, and over here you are going to see the number of accounts that you have and all of the PNL will be shown over here. Similarly, you can click on the plus icon and you can add as many things as you want that are given over here. It totally depends on you. I like to keep it simple, so I'm just going to simply use this particular dashboard. Now over here, the next thing that you need to do is to simply organize your chart. For that, you are going to see these types of options. Like the first option we have here is of zoom in and zoom out. So you can just simply zoom in and zoom out. You can also do this with the help of your mouse. Then we have the time period option. So over here you are going to see the time period at which you are seeing the chart. So you can just simply make changes into it just like so. Then we have the option of candlesticks. So over here, if you want to change the candlesticks pattern over here, if you want to make it bar, line or any other type of chart, you can just simply go ahead and do so. I like to keep it simple, so I'm just going to simply select the option of candlesticks. Now once that is done, the next option that you are seeing over here is of chart setting. So when you click on the chart setting option, you are going to see the option of grid. So the lines that you are seeing over here on this particular chart is the grid. So if you just click on it, it is going to be disabled and the chart is going to look something like this. So the black chart looks great, so I'm just going to keep it as it is. After that, you can basically add a bunch of different things, like you can use previous settings, you can add price levels, you can also just simply select the option of autofill chart and much more. So with the help of chart settings, you can do a lot of things. So you need to just simply click on each one of these and see which one you want to keep and which one you don't want to keep. Then we have the option of settings. So in the settings, basically you are going to see all of the chart elements. So as you can see, I have some of these indicators available. So I don't want these indicators here on my chart, so I'm just going to simply click on the indicator and I'm going to simply change it. Now over here, I'm also going to basically change the chart. So let's say you have currently opened the chart of gold and now you want to change it to, let's say, MNQ. So you need to simply just search for it and then you just have to simply open its chart. So after doing this, the next thing that you are going to see is this particular section where you can basically place your orders. So over here, in order to place your orders, what you need to do is you need to simply use these buttons that are given over here. So buy MKT is basically buying on the market price. Then we have sell, which is selling on the market price. So buy bid and the sell ask are basically the limit order for buying side and the sell side respectively. Over here you need to simply enter the unit and then you can just simply click on over here. After that, you can just simply select the option of sell stop and the buy limit, and then you can basically place your trade over here. Once your trades are placed, you are going to see the SL and the TP over here on the chart. So after doing this, if you want to exit from the trade, you can click on the option of exit at the market order, and all of your orders and your profit and loss or your account information is going to be visible over here in this particular section. So that's how basically you can trade on Tradovate. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.